How to reset your Dyson vacuum battery. Just a short explanation on one way you could technically do this, and if it's possible, depending on your model. So, resetting a Dyson vacuum battery doesn't really involve a dedicated reset button since there isn't a feature we can do this directly, but you can perform a simple power reset, and that often fixes charging or performance issues. So, you can unplug the charger from both the outlet and the battery itself. So you can go ahead and plug it back into the wall and reconnect it to the vacuum. And while it's connected, you can press and hold the trigger for about 15 to 20 seconds and then release it. Try turning the vacuum on again, and it usually helps reset the battery system, and it's commonly recommended in troubleshooting guides that includes the Dyson vacuum. If that doesn't work, you can try removing the battery directly from the vacuum itself. You can go ahead and take that off, and then you can wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then reinsert it securely and test again. You can also fully drain the battery until it's empty, then charge it to 100% without interruption to recalibrate it. But you're gonna keep in mind that most or multiple Dyson vacuums doesn't have a true reset function, and if the issue does continue after doing some of these options, then the battery may be worn out and is going to need replacement rather than resetting. So you could either do that directly in their website or just find a way you could get yourself a new Dyson vacuum battery either in shops or their official website. If you'd like more troubleshooting, you could go ahead and contact them directly so that they could tell you specifically what to do, and you can tell them the stuff you've already tried so they don't just repeat the stuff you've already done. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.